How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your speaker sound is too low on iPhone. So let's dive right in. Go to settings and then scroll down, go to sounds and haptics, and then you can see a slider there. You can either just slide it or you can tap on the volume up button on your phone. So once you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see volume limit option. Make sure that limit maximum volume is not toggled on. This can restrict your sound output. Then come back and then go to headphone safety. If it's on, then I recommend turning it off. And similarly, you can see reduce loud audio. You can toggle that off as well. So this will fix your iPhone speaker sound too low problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.